Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day watching all this XRP action to the upside. I don't know what you're doing with your life, guys, but if you're not stacking up on your XRP, I got nothing else to do. I got nothing for you guys. XRP, was I right or was I fucking right? Yeah? You know what I mean? Come on, guys. Start stacking up on your XRP, guys. It is what it is. Doesn't matter what the price is. Just do what you gotta do. You know? Do what you got to do. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day, having a great day. XRP absolutely mooning. I told you guys this shit was gonna happen sooner or later. All you needed to do was have a little bit of patience and everything was just gonna get fixed by time. The real winners here are the people who are super duper patient and just stack up. Just accumulate. Remember when I told you guys that it was accumulation zone when we were at 40 cents, 30 cents? This is why. This is why. XRP absolutely breaking all expectations. And we're not slowing down. Let me tell you right now, we are nowhere near slowing down right now on XRP. All we're gonna do is just figure out what entry price do I want to go in on XRP. If you're not in XRP right now, you don't have any XRP in your bags, give it a minute. We're FOMOing, okay? This is FOMO zone. FOMO zone. You don't want the FOMO zone. You want the red candle. You want to wait for that little mini pullback to the downside, okay? Obviously, we're going to have a minute pullback. Nothing goes up forever. It is what it is. Yes, XRP tends to break all-time highs out of fucking nowhere. And then everybody misses it, and then everybody starts crying because they didn't have XRP. Then it comes back down, and then nobody wants to buy XRP. I've never understood that mentality, you know. I don't understand it. I don't get it. I tell you, don't buy on the green, buy on the red. But then nobody wants to buy on the red because it's red. And then you buy on the green, and it comes back down. And I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. I just don't know. So how y'all doing, guys? Hope y'all having a fantastic day. I'm having a great day. What's up with you guys? How y'all doing? Let's see what we got here. Boom, boom, boom. Pum, 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 pum. Put it over here. Make sure that everything is working out. All right. Perfect. Beautiful. So big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and write them down on the chat box. You got me for a little hour of power. I want to try to do my best to answer whatever questions you guys have. So go ahead and write it down on the chat box. Big shout out for everybody here. Let me turn on my air conditioner. It's kind of a little bit warm today. I don't know. It's kind of raining outside. It's super gloomy outside, but you know what? It doesn't matter because XRP is absolutely mooning to the upside. I don't know what else to tell you. Look at it. Look at it. Guys, are you strapped in? Are you locked and loaded? Do you have some XRP bags? I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't know what else to tell you. Big shout out for everybody here, guys. You guys are amazing. Just like always. Give me a second, guys. Don't go anywhere. Let me make sure that everything is working over here. Because for some reason, I'm not seeing the viewers on the TikToks. So let me go over here. Goal overlay. Chat bot. Let me make sure that the chat is working. Boom, boom, boom. I'm having a great day, guys. It's been a great week. We finally finished the haunted house. It was an amazing experience. We had a whole lot of fun. So big shout out for everybody who went over to our haunted house. Who participated. Whoever said yes and went there. Big shout out to you. You guys are amazing. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys. Well, for some reason, I cannot see the chat on the TikTok. That sucks. What is happening over here? Having a little bit of technical issues. Some wardrobe malfunction on some TikTok. I don't know why. Well, guys, if I can't answer your questions over on the TikTok, make sure that you head on over to my YouTube channel. I can see the chats over there. So if you're in my YouTube channel, big shout out to you. shout out to Brandon Spalding over on the YouTube channel. I finally made money back on XRP. When can I get out and make the most out of this upside before it drops again? Brother, that's completely up to you, Brandon. If you're making some money, take your profits. Did you make some money on the upside? Brother, take some profits. You know, take some profits. I don't know what the top is going to be. We're going to talk about that today. We're going to figure it out using our patterns and whatnot. So stick around. We're going to look at what the possible top side might be. But if you're under green, you're making some money, brother. Take some profits, bro. Take some profits. Bruder Crypto over on the Twitch channel. Big shout out to Bruder Crypto, locked and loaded for the XRP Moon. Love you, brother. Love you too, brother. Love you. You the man, Bruder Crypto. Big love for you too. Big shout out to Bruder Crypto over on the Twitch channel. B Alpha. Finally, I can see the comments over on the TikTok. All right, B Alpha. How you doing, B Alpha? Big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel. How you doing, brother? B Alpha, did you get a bag of aimbot yet? I have not stacked up on my aimbot yet, brother, but that's gonna happen. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it, bro. I got this. I'm just a little overexcited for what XRP is doing, you know. So it's kind of, since I'm in super duper love with XRP, it's kind of hard to look otherwise. I'm kind of loyal like that. So, but I'll get there. Don't worry about it, B Alpha. We'll get there. Catchy, big shout out to Catchy over on the TikTok channel. Love it, XRP. Wow. I've been saying it for years now, guys. For years, shilling the shit out of XRP. The shit out of it. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Stack up on your XRP. That's all you gotta do. Forget about the rest. Bulldog! Big shout out to Bulldog Gang. What's up with you, brother, over on the TikTok channel? XRP, baby, bro. You know how it is, brother. You know how it is. I don't need to tell you otherwise. I got nothing else. I got nothing else for you guys. I just show up. when XRP pumps. I don't know what to tell you guys. Just stack up on some XRP. Just start stacking up on some XRP. XRP is absolutely, guys, I got no words. I got no words for you guys. I got no words. All right, guys, let's set up the charts. We're going to go in it today. We're going to figure out what the hell are we going to do with this XRP pump action. Are we going to get up? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? I don't know. Let's figure it out together. So let's just give it a few more minutes just to see who gets here. So big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing like always. Crypto Sister, big shout out to you, Crypto Sister, over on and the TikTok channel, XRP to the moon. Absolutely. That is the smartest thing anybody has ever said, my man. Let me tell you right now. XRP to the moon, guys. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Let's just start stacking up. Start stacking up, guys. Guys, also, make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price action. Big shout out to Ray Ray! Big shout out to Ray Ray. Thank you for that follow over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Ray Ray? What's up with you, brother? What you been up to? What you doing? Are you stacking up? Are you accumulating? Are you selling? Are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Let me know. Let me know on the chat box, guys. Big shout out to Phoenix over on the TikTok. A big shout out to you, Phoenix. How you doing, babe? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a Vinny, taking it super easy. Nah, fuck easy. Everything is just absolutely bazonkers right now, man. I cannot calm the fuck down. I cannot. It is not a chill day. Yeah, it's raining outside, but it is what it is. It sure as hell is not raining on the crypto markets. Look at that price action on XRP, 72 cents. Oh, 71.4. Oh my God. My biggest regret was to close the trade too early. I did have a little bit of a premature ejaculation on closing the trade on XRP. It is what it is, guys. It's natural. It's normal. It's okay. Accept and move on. We're going to reset the Fibonacci levels and figure out when we're going to go back in on XRP on this little bitty trade. Now, I do hold some XRP on the side, obviously. I trade and I hold. And that what I am hodling is making money. So I win either way. We win either way, guys. We make money either way. Ed Paramo over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Ed. What's up, Sensei? It's all good, brother. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Taking it easy. Taking this price action to the upside. Moving it even more. Accumulating even more. 70 cents XRP, that's nothing, guys. We still got so much room for the upside. It's ridiculous. Money flow is not slowing down at all. We're not slowing down. God damn. Oh, look at the Cardano. Cardano's also pumping a little bit to the upside. That beautiful 9% on Cardano. That ain't too bad. That ain't too bad at all. Ray over on the Twitch channel saying, I'm packed up. And we'll hang them the bags, bro, my brother. It's a great Monday for sure. Brother, it doesn't get any better than this. Starting a week on the positive, and it was pumping on a Sunday. It was pumping on a Saturday. And historically, November has been a horrible month for XRP. XRP does whatever the fuck it wants, guys. XRP does whatever the fuck it wants. You just gotta stack up. You just gotta stack up, guys. You just gotta stack up. Ray over on the Twitch channel saying, can you mention the signals that you use? I'm trying to learn. Absolutely. We're gonna look at that today, brother. Don't worry about it. We're gonna go in it. Don't worry about it. I got you, brother. Don't worry about it, bro. I got you. Big shout out to Steve. Steve over on the TikTok. How you doing, brother? It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. We're going to go into today, guys. We're going to look at this price action. What is the possible top going to be? Where are we going to take our profits? Where are we going to go back in on XRP? Because obviously, I'm just going to double down on XRP. I got zero excuse not to be on XRP. Just zero. None whatsoever. Catchy. Big shout out to Catchy over on the TikTok saying, don't forget the Taylor. Oh, Taylor. Do you want to look at some Taylor? Yeah, guys, if you want to look at any projects whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I'll write it down and I'll do some TA on whatever projects you want to look at. Go ahead and write it down on the chat box. You got me for an hour of power. Ask away. Let me get my handy dandy notebook so I can start writing whatever you guys want to look at. Obviously, we're going to go in on XRP. We're going to go in on some Bitcoin. We always do the top 10. You know how it is. Tony Smith over on the YouTube channel saying, Matic, please. You want to talk about some Matic? Yeah, we can talk about some Matic action. Why not? Let's go into some Matic. Boom. Matic action. We can talk about some Matic. Of course we can. Crypto Sister saying over on the TikTok channel, optimism. You mean there's a coin called optimism, or am I optimistic of what XRP is gonna do? I am the master of optimism for XRP, guys. The fucking general. I've been positive on XRP since day one. It is what it is, you know. Super duper skewed to the XRP side. Jason over on the TikTok channel. Big shout out to you, Jason. If logistical fundamentals, absolutely. Just follow the fundamentals, guys. This is just a game. And every game has rules. And the beauty of this game is that we use historical data to figure out patterns. And patterns tend to play out exactly the same way every single time. So we just got to identify the patterns, know what to do with those patterns, and take action on those patterns. That's it. 3 things. That's it. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do, guys. Brutal Creature over on the Twitch channel saying, XLM boss, please. Yeah, we can talk about some XLM. We always talk about some XLM action, guys. If XRP is pumping, XLM is going to do the exact same thing. Always remember that XLM is like the XRP's evil twin sister, but the hot one, you know? One more minute, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. We're going to go in it today. Crypto Sense is talking about look up some Fetch AI. You want to talk about some Fetch? Yeah, we can talk about some Fetch AI. AI coins, absolutely. I love AI coins because everything is AI now. If you're not in AI, you're not learning how to use AI. man, you're going to get run over by somebody who does. AI is not here to replace you, but it is here for somebody else to replace you because they know how to use AI. So you better learn how to use AI. Yeah, absolutely. I love AI. 99% of my business is run by AI now. It is ridiculous. You got to learn how to do your AI, man. You got to go in it. You have to go in it. You're going to get run over by somebody who does. The only thing I don't give AI power to is my money and my trades. I don't. No, that's where I draw the line. Yeah, we can use some analysis to figure out what the AI wants to do. I do have some signals that I have AI created it. ChatGPT created it for me using some patterns that I was accustomed to using. So that's what we're going to look at today. Those are the signals that I use. Those were created by AI. So I use that as indicators, but patterns, looking at the patterns and identifying what the price might do, that just comes with experience. So, and I'm not going to let the AI take over that, you know? All right. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on this price action to see where we're at. Are we making money? Or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Let me lower the music a little bit more here so you can listen to me. There you go. So I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, make sure that you do it on Bitcoin first because it's going to probably repeat on everything else out there. Except for XRP, because XRP is just doing whatever the fuck it wants. It is absolutely decoupling from Bitcoin sooner or later, but that's just a whole other story. We're not going to go into that today. But let's see how it goes. You know, let's see what Bitcoin is going to do. So Bitcoin on the charts right now, this is the daily chart on Bitcoin. Okay. So looking on Bitcoin daily chart, these are all daily candles, meaning that every one of these candles is 24 hours long, and every one of these candles is 1 day long. What is the price action doing as of right now? The price action is to the upside. But it doesn't take a master to know that it is probably going to keep going to the upside. You follow momentum. You always follow momentum. Now, always remember that everything that goes up must come down. There is going to be pullbacks, okay? There is going to be a pullback. So if you're not in Bitcoin as of right now, and if I was in your shoes, I would wait for that pullback because there's going to be a pullback. Nothing goes up forever. Always keep that in the back of your mind. If there's too much green, there's going to be a pullback. Now we're going to try to figure out what that pullback is going to be. How do we do that? Very simple. We have a great tool over here on TradingView called the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, so we're going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool to figure out what is the best price action to going in on any asset whatsoever. And what is the best price action? I'll give it to you right now. Don't worry about it. What's the first thing that you need to do? You need to identify a low point before the pump. Okay, so we have a low point right before this mega pump to the upside. Okay, that's the low point. Then we have a high point. Okay, this is the highest point that Bitcoin went on this pump. Okay, so we have a low, we have a high. Now, since we know, and we have it in the back of our minds, that everything that goes up must come down, there is going to be a pullback. That means that we're going to pretend that there is going to be a pullback from here. Not saying that it will. I'm just going to pretend that it does. So it's going to probably look something like this. Okay, just a little mini pullback, to the downside. And this looks like what? A shark fin formation. Okay, this pattern right here looks like a shark fin formation. Why? Because we have a low, we have a high, and we have a higher low when it comes back down. Okay, we're going to have that higher low action when it does do the pullback. Okay, I don't know when the pullback is going to be, but I'm going to pretend like there is going to be a pullback. Okay, with that said, we take those points and we're going to draw our Fibonacci tool. We take it from the low, we drag it all the way to the high. Okay, and we drag a little bit there. There you go. And since we are pretending, we're going to pretend that this is going to come back down, okay, for that pullback action. What is the best price action to getting in on Bitcoin? Anywhere between these two zones right here. Okay, so what am I saying? I am saying that if we get a major pullback to the downside on Bitcoin, I am going to start stacking up on my Bitcoin at 30,173. Okay, 30,173 is the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay, on my Fibonacci levels. Okay, so do with that information as you bake. Whatever the hell you want to do, you trade it however the hell you want to trade it. I'm going to start stacking up on my Bitcoin at 30,173. Okay, 30,173. That is my first limit buy order for Bitcoin. Okay, for Bitcoin. 30,173. Now, on the RSI, which is this price action that you're seeing on the bottom down here, this chart that you have right here, it is on the top, on the tippy top of the RSI, like the highest it can go. So expect a pullback. Okay, it can go higher. It can keep going higher. This means nothing. But if you go back in time and you sort of see here, see where you see the ping and then it comes back down. See where you see the top and then it comes back down. See where you see the top and then it comes back down. That's a pattern. Okay, that's a pattern. Okay, always listen to the patterns. There is probably going to be a pullback. Now, on that pullback, I am going to go in on Bitcoin. Where? At 30,173. 30,173. Okay, 30,173. Take a screenshot of that if you want to play it out like that, but you trade it however the hell you want to trade it, okay? It can keep going lower. Of course it can keep going lower. Absolutely it can keep going lower. Now, let's pretend that it bounces from that 30K mark, okay? That it does this. That the chart is going to look like this, okay? Now, let's pretend that that is going to happen. Not saying that it will. Pretend. We're pretend. On that pretend, we're going to take the Fibonacci tool and do it in reverse and place it on the 618. Okay. And then it's going to give me two more price actions to the downside where I'm going to start stacking up on my Bitcoin. That means that I am going to start stacking up on Bitcoin here, and I'm going to start stacking on Bitcoin right here. Okay. So my limit buy orders for Bitcoin are 30,173, 27,949. Not saying that we're going to go below 30K. This is not a forecast, okay? This is just me loading up on my gun, just putting the bullets, just putting the bullets, just in case Bitcoin decides to dump out of fucking nowhere, which we've all been victim to in the past, okay? I'm going to take advantage of that dip action that might happen, okay? So I'm just loading the gun. I'm just strapping in, just making sure that the system buys the Bitcoin whenever I say that I'm going to buy the Bitcoin, okay? I could be sleeping and the system is going to buy the Bitcoin automatically for me. So 27,949 and 26,574. Okay. That is going to be my price action for some Bitcoin action, okay? Not saying that we're going to get to the price action, okay? 20, 30, 27, 26, I don't know. But I'm going to stack up on my Bitcoin at those price ranges right over there. Okay, 30,173. It can go to 40 today. It can go to 50. It can go to 100, and we never see 30K again. It is what it is. That means that I just lost my opportunity. We reset the Fibonacci levels and find out what those Fibonacci levels are going to be in the future. We've been doing that with XRP. If you guys have been with Crypto Granny over on the Crypto Granny live stream on TikTok, we've been pretty much streaming every single day over there, and I'm giving you guys the price action. And that price action just keeps going higher and higher and higher. It was 51, then 53, now 55, and it's because big XRP just keeps going to the upside. Okay? But since we only buy on the red, we don't buy on the green, that's where I'm going to start stacking up on some Bitcoin action. 30K, 27, and 26. Do whatever you want to do. Take a screenshot of that if you want to play it out exactly like that. But it's completely up to you. This is not financial advice. You do whatever the hell you want with your money. This is just me recording what I am doing with my money. And that, guys, is my plan for some Bitcoin action. Moving on to some Ethereum. Ooh. Let me get rid of this because it was in previous live streams. See how all this price action that you're looking on the screen right now, those yellow lines that I have drawn right there, that was previous live streams. Okay. Since it kept going higher, that means that I need to reset it again. I got to restart all over again. Okay. So since I have to restart all over again, I got to get rid of that. So let's get rid of this. And now let's do it all over again. Let's zoom in a little bit so it makes it more comfortable for my eyes. And you need to identify three things. You need to identify the low. You need to identify the high. And then you need to identify the retracement of that high so that you can get a higher low. Okay. We're going to pretend that we're going to have a pullback from here. I'm not saying that we will, but we're going to pretend that Ethereum is going to come back down. And we're going to draw our Fibonacci levels. So our Fibonacci levels go here. Drag it all the way up here. Okay. And then it gives you what that price action is going to be on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. So let's draw them out. My entry price for some Ethereum action is 1,673. Boom, boom, boom. There. You got it, dude. And we're going to get the other two from the bottom. Okay. We're going to take the exact same thing on the Fibonacci tool, but instead of dragging it from down up, we're going to drag it from up down. So from the high, we're going to drag it all the way down to the 618. Okay. There. And it's going to give me these two price actions down here, which are possible bouncy bounces on Ethereum. Okay. So that price action is 1,580 and 1,522. If it was me, I would just buy it at 1,522, which is the lowest point, the negative 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay. There, 1,573, 1,580, and 1,522. Those are my price actions for some Ethereum action if it decides to come back down. I don't know when that is going to happen. I know there's going to be a pullback sooner or later. I'm just locked and loaded, ready to go. When that red candle comes in, when I know that it will, maybe it'll hit that price action and I'm going to stack up on my Ethereum. Okay. So that is my plan for some Ethereum action. Okay. Man, I don't know why I can't see. Give me a second, guys. Here, I can't see the chat box. Give me a second. Let me put it over here. Can't see the TikTok chat box. Oh, now I can see it. All right. Now I can see the chat box for TikTok. I got to move it somewhere else because I can't see it. My man, Nicky Rodriguez. What's up with you, brother? What are you doing, Nicky? It's all good or good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, going up. I'm going up. We're moving on up, guys. That's it. We're leveling up. We're evolving. We're going into a higher species, bro. I don't know what you're doing, my man. I don't know what everybody's doing. I just don't know. Crypto Granny. Big shout out to Crypto Granny, the number one, the best, the GOAT, the one and only XRP mistress. Ooh, Crypto Granny. Big shout out to you, Crypto Granny. How you doing? I told you that XRP had zero motivation to back the fuck down. I told you guys. I don't know what else to tell you. And money, it's not slowing down. Money flow is still pumping in, guys. It's just getting greener and greener and greener, meaning that there's a lot of money being pumped in on XRP. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying, I couldn't hear you. Did you do XRP and ADA? No, I haven't talked about XRP. We're gonna go into XRP right now. Don't worry about it. I got you. Chapuling! Big shout out to Chapuling over on the TikTok. What's up, brother? What's up with you, bro? It's all good. You know how it is. It doesn't get any better than this to wake up at 1 during the day and just look at XRP just absolutely wrecking everybody who didn't buy XRP and all those naysayers that said that XRP wasn't going to do anything and we were going to go to zero. I mean, I live for the fact of saying, I told you so. It's what I live for. And 70-cent XRP is nothing, guys. That's just pennies. That's just pennies. That is nothing compared to what's right around the corner. If you're not stacking up on your XRP, I got nothing to tell you guys. I mean, you're in the wrong channel. I'm sorry. Hollywood. Big shout out to Hollywood over on the TikTok. Hey, brother, can you do TA on NXRA? Yeah, we could talk about some NXRA. I believe we talked about that on the last live stream. Let's see how that one is performing as of right now. NXRA. We can do some NXRA. Sure, we can. Ooh, my bad. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying no breaks. Where am I shorting? You want to short XRP? That is brave. That is brave. I don't short nothing, Granny. I don't short. I'm not a shorter. I'm sorry. I just don't do it. I don't believe in shorting. I believe in the power of XRP to the upside. I don't short. I don't have the cojones to short XRP. You know? I'm sorry. But I'll give you what the possible top might be. Don't worry about it. We're going to talk about that right now. Steve over on the TikTok channel saying XRP heating up. Big shout out to you, Steve. Absolutely, brother. There is no slowing down. There is no brakes. The brakes broke. The brakes broke. We have no brakes. Done. We're done. Se acabó. No more. If we get that red candle, which we probably will, of course we're going to get a red candle, and you're not stacking up on your XRP, I got nothing else to tell you, brother. You're in the wrong fucking channel. I'm just saying. That beautiful 70 cent XRP, maybe some 90 cent XRP, maybe $1 XRP. I'm just let me go to the XRP chart. Let me just. Can you just sit back and enjoy this chart? Like, this is the definition of beauty. Beauty right here. That's it. XRP. Look at that. Look at all that price action. Look at this, guys. I'm going to show you something. If you missed the live stream over on the Crypto Granny, I showed you guys a little trick that you can do. This is a beautiful pattern playing out right here. So whenever you get a pattern that looks like this, it's like a U. Like a parabolic situation happening here, like a U. See? Like a parabolic situation. Pattern like this one. Okay. This is called a cup and handle. Okay. Whenever we get this U formation, it's gonna look like this, like a cup and a handle. Okay. It's a cup, a coffee cup. Okay. Remember that. Cup and handle. Cup and handle pattern. Okay. A cup and handle pattern is hella bullish. Okay. A cup and handle pattern is hella bullish. It can be bearish in a bearish scenario. I don't believe that we're still in a bearish cycle, but I don't think we're in a bearish scenario just yet. Okay. I believe we broke out of that mentality. We're no longer in the bears mentality. Okay. It's just not here. Just read the news. Look at what the market is doing. Follow whatever the hell they're talking about. And it's just not bad news anywhere to be found. Okay. So the mentality is not bearish, meaning that we are now ready for that bullish momentum to the upside. After the halving, we still need to get the halving first. Don't worry about it. Slow your roll. Slow your roll. So whenever we get this cup and handle formation, now we have the cup area. We got the cup area played out real nice. Check out what we can do. We're going to identify the top of the cup, which is this right here, which is right before the dump. That little spiky to the upside right before the dump, that's the top. Okay, so that's the high. That's the high. Okay, we have the high here. And then we're going to look at the middle zone of where the curvature started to happen. Okay, we're going to take that curvature area and we're going to try to identify the medium, the middle part of it. Okay, so pretty much around here and around here. Okay, this is the middle bottom area of that cup. Okay, then we're going to look at where the curvature went back up. Okay, so that the other side where you're going to grab to drink your coffee on the pattern, okay, which is this area right here, okay? It needs to break above this area right here, which is the top, the high. It needs to break above the previous high before the cup, okay? So we have this formation right here. What do we do with that? Check this out, guys. Take your square tool. Place it on the high, drag it to the middle, and then drag it to the handle part of the cup, which is where the handle is going to start forming. Okay, you have now a square on your charts. You take that square and you copy paste it. and you place it the middle of the square, you place it exactly on the handle part right there. It gives you a possible top and a possible breakout zone and a possible entry zone also. Okay? So what am I saying? I know I'm crazy talking right now. You don't have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about. That means that the top of that second square is the possible top for this pumpy pump on XRP. In other words, your take profit zone. You didn't know that one, huh? Did you? You're going to learn it here. Don't worry about that. So that what does that tell me? It tells me that the possible top is 87,071. So where are you going to take your profits? The highest resistance zone. What is the highest resistance zone on the cup and handle? The secondary square tool on the top. So 87 is major resistance, which makes sense because there's a lot of liquidity over on this zone right here. Okay, there's liquidity here. There's liquidity. Oh, this area right here has liquidity. So there's probably going to be a pullback from there. Now, listen closely. Pay attention. For this to play out, there's certain things that need to happen. Okay? What needs to happen for that to play out exactly to 87 cents? We need to close above the previous high. Okay? That means that a green candle the base of the green candle needs to close above the high. This zone right here. In other words, it needs to close above this zone right here. Now, looking at what is happening right now, it broke through. Now we need to close above that zone right there. So for today, my battery went out on my watch. For today at 8 p.m. Eastern, we get the close of this daily candle. We're going to look at it. Obviously, keep an eye out on the charts. Look at what is happening right now. And we need to close above. In other words, the next candle needs to open above that high point. In other words, I'll give you the price action right now. That means that XRP needs to close above 66 cents. It's trading at 72 cents right now. That is a lot more than the middle of the candle of the last candle. So if you're asking me, are we going to get that close above 66? We have 2.5 hours to go. Can we dump from here? Of course we can dump from here. We can go to zero. Of course it can happen. Absolutely. But it sure as hell doesn't look like it. A lot of people are buying XRP as of right now. A lot of people are accumulating XRP as of right now. It doesn't look like it's slowing down in no way, shape, or form. Are we going to close above that 66 cent mark for the next candle? It's it looking like it will. It looking like it will, guys. So, with that said, we open above 66 cents after 8 p.m. tonight. Rest assured that we're going to see an 87 cent XRP. Now, that's the first thing that needs to happen. It needs to close above 66 cents. Okay. Second thing that needs to happen is that it needs to be retested. Remember that all price action behaves like a bow and arrow. You pull on the bow. The more you pull on the bow, the farther away that arrow goes. Okay. So we've probably exhausted the momentum of that arrow because we broke above the resistance line. Now we need more support. To do that, we need to pull the bow back, okay? So we broke through and the arrow has to come back down because of gravity. Same thing. We might not have gravity, but we do have momentum. Momentum is going to probably come back down to that 66 cent XRP. So it'll probably look like this. Okay. So that gives you what? another entry price to going in on XRP if you're not holding on to XRP as of right now. So your buy order, your support zone should be 66 cents. Okay? So your first limit buy order should be placed at 66 cents. Okay? Just in case you're not in XRP as of right now and you want to go in on XRP, okay? That's just how I see it. Okay, that's if you're not in XRP, you want to go in on XRP, you feel the FOMO, you feel like you're missing out. It's completely normal. It's absolutely 100% natural to feel that way, but it is what it is. I give you some more price actions to getting in on some XRP. So XRP needs to retest that 66 cent mark, okay? Find the support, and then we go to that 87, or it could even go higher. Okay. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying, talented sensei, thank you, Crypto Granny. Big much love to you too. Chiz254 over on the TikTok channel saying, my average is 48 cents. We can draw the Fibonacci levels because there's another side to this coin also. This could not play out. Okay, this could be completely bullshit, and I just lost 30 minutes of my life explaining it to you. This could not play out, and it could go the other way. It could just break to the downside. So I'm going to give you the other side of the coin just in case it doesn't play out like this. This is best case scenario. Now I'm going to give you the worst case scenario because it could break to the downside, okay? Hollywood over on the TikTok channel saying this guy is a beast with TA. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate the love. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel said tap share and please gift. He is giving great info. Thank you, Crypto Granny. Big shout out to you, Crypto Granny. User 80 saying the fibs don't lie. Absolutely, I am a fib whore. I'm sorry. I listen to the Fibonacci levels. It is what it's the best. If you don't master the Fibonacci levels, you can't trade. You can't trade. You can't trade. Big shout out to Big D. Big shout out. Thank you for that hat over on the TikTok channel. Crypto Sister. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that finger heart. Big shout out to you. Let me give you some hearts too. There you go. Some love to you too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate each and every one. And I love each and every one of you guys. This for me, this is therapy, you know? Because being in crypto is highly stressful. Okay? You got ups, you got downs, and then you got way downs, you know? So this hanging out with you guys for this little hour of power, this is therapy for me, and it's wonderful. And I appreciate and love each and every one of you. I'm gonna try to do my best to just keep streaming as much as I can. You know, I'm done with the haunted house, so I now have the time to do the streams daily like I used to. So I'll be back. I'll be back every day, 5 p.m. guys. Make sure that you subscribe, follow him from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm on every single platform out there. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Twitch. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place. No reason why not to get my TA, guys. And it's free. It's completely free. XRP Queen. Big shout out to XRP Queen over on the TikTok channel saying XRP, XDC, and Quant. You want to talk about some XDC and Quant? Where's my notebook? Let me put it right over here. Let's look at some XDC. Of course we can look at some XDC. We can look at some Quant, some QNT. Of course we can. And what else you wanted to talk about? XRP. We got XRP already on the screens, guys. Catchy over on the TikTok channel saying, love the tunes. Is this your private playlist or channel? This is a channel. Music brought to you by Art of Techno, deep radio, melodic, progressive house music. This is my favorite type of music. This is what I chill the fuck out to when I do my trades, when I need to concentrate, when I need to think. This is the music that I have on the background. Highly recommend this type of music if you enjoy techno. Trippy techno, that's what I like. Trippy techno. I'm tripping all the time, you know. If you're an XRP, you're tripping all the time. But that's the music I listen to, you guys. This is the radio I put on every day. They give out great music. Okay, so Art of Techno, deep radio. That's the music. So guys, this is best case scenario for XRP. But now I'm gonna give you the other way around. Okay, the other way around. Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Tato? What's up with you, man? What you been doing? How you been? Are you doing good? Are you doing some trades? What are you doing, guys? Santos! Big shout out to Santos over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Dan Santos? It's all good, okay? You know, it's just chilling like a villain. XDC, I'm bullish. Yeah, we're going to talk about some XDC. Some people brought it over here, so we're going to talk about some XDC. So keep around, stay around. Let's see what happens. Chris, oh no, Chris, no, Chiz 254 over on the TikTok channel saying, don't care if I have to hold for years. That's why it's an investment. See, that's the mentality that people don't understand. We live in a society where we need instant gratification. You're not going to get that on crypto. Very rarely does a coin pump 17,000% in a day. That's one coin out of 15,000 coins that are on the market right now. It could be more. I don't know exactly what the number is. I'm just paraphrasing here. So people don't get that. Investments, if you call it an investment, that's years down the line. Okay. The beauty of crypto is that we have a 4-year cycle, and it's a predictable cycle. Okay. We can use it for our advantage. Just hodl. Just hodl. Hodl in the bear cycle, sell in the bull cycle. Hodl on the bear cycle when everybody's crying and they don't know what the fuck to do with their lives and everybody's just losing their minds. That's when you buy. That's when you buy. Okay? When shit hits the fan, that's when you buy. Then when everything is on the all-time high and everybody's euphoric and losing their minds and everybody's rich, but nobody takes profits, that's when you take profits. When your grandma tells you, hey, you should be buying some Bitcoin, that's the moment that you need to sell your Bitcoin. Okay? Just follow the rules, guys. Just follow the rules. So, best case scenario for XRP is that 87 mark on the resistance zone on this cup and handle formation. Okay? On this cup and handle formation as it's just here right now. Okay? 87 cent XRP. Now, what happens if it doesn't go our way? There, you always have to look at both sides of the coins, okay? It doesn't necessarily mean that this scenario is going to play out. No. There's another side to it. There's a dark side. We got the light side. We got the dark side. We got to pay attention to both. Be the gray Jedi. You don't want to be on one side and not the other, okay? You got to learn from the both. If it doesn't close above 66, it breaks 66 back down to the downside, that's the retracement that you need for your Fibonacci tool. Okay. So you have a low, you have a high point. Okay. We're going to pretend that it's going to break back down that 66 mark. Okay. It's going to come back down on a red candle. We have a shark fin formation if that happens. So if that happens, we have that shark fin, we have the Fibonacci. You drag your Fibonacci from the low to the high. Okay. And there we go. Now it gives you your entry price to getting in on some XRP. Okay. Your first limit buy order to getting in on some XRP, if you're not in XRP as of right now. Remember Crypto Granny where we said that it was 51, then 53? Now it's 55. Yeah, no, 56. Why? Because the price of XRP keeps going higher, so we need to reset the Fibonacci. You always got to be looking at the charts all the time because they change, they evolve, they get better. And you got to go with it. You got to get evolving with it. You know? So my first limit buy order for some XRP action is 0.56508. Okay. So when do I want to start stacking up on my XRP? 56 cents. Okay. Now let's pretend that it keeps going lower. Okay. We're going to pretend that it breaks that 56 cents back down. Okay. We're going to probably hit those 40s. I don't know. Anything can happen. Then we do the Fibonacci in reverse. Instead of dragging it from the low to the high, now we're going to drag it from the high to the low. And we're going to place it on the 618. And it's going to give us our other two more entry levels for XRP. We got this one and we got this one. So my other limit buy order on XRP is 0.50152 and 0.46207. Okay. See how the numbers change every day? Every day. This was a completely different pattern yesterday. We were looking at it on the Crypto Granny live stream yesterday on TikTok. It was a completely different pattern. It was a completely different number. This is why you need to learn how to do your charts because they change every day. Every day. You got to do the same scenario right here. The same thing you got to do it every goddamn day. Okay? So those are my limit buy orders to getting in on some some XRP action if it comes back down. If it keeps breaking to the upside, let it rip. Let it do its thing. You can FOMO in if you want to. Completely up to you. You should be stacking up on your XRP. It doesn't really matter the price because 72-cent XRP is nothing. Nothing. Those are pennies. Pennies, guys. Pennies. I don't know how else to tell you. Give us a second. Let me get some water. I'm getting too excited here. Where's my water? Okay. And that, guys, is my plan for some XRP action. The top at 87, the entry price at 66. Oh wait, I forgot to give you the other entry price for XRP, 0.66870. Okay, because that is the support line that I'm hoping it's going to close above by 8 p.m. Okay, it should close above 66,870. 66,870. Okay, we're going to look at it at 8 p.m. I'm going to be looking at the charts. If it closes above 66,870, we're going to get that 87. Okay, we're going to go all the way up here. Okay, that's where we're going to go. We're going to go all the way up here. It's going to probably close anywhere above this zone right here. That means that there's a possible take profit here and here. Look at it. It's just beautiful price action, guys. It's just it doesn't get any better than this. This is just amazing. We've been waiting for this for a whole year. I started this channel in January, trying to get to that $1 million XRP action. And it's just playing out beautifully. I mean, I don't have $1 million, but if this keeps going to the upside, hell yeah. Hell yeah. So your take profit zones is, I told you it was 87, which is pretty much the average between these two zones right here. See how the pattern is playing out within the Fibonacci levels. 87 is a great zone because it's right in the middle of these two take profit zones. You can take it at 83 or 90. I'm going to take it at 87. Okay, just because it's right in the middle. It could happen. You know, it could just hit one and not the other and then come back down. So my take profit is at 87, but you can follow the Fibonacci levels at 83 and 90 cents and take your profits whenever the hell you want to. For me, when it comes to XRP, my take profit is at $5. So I'm not even thinking of this price action. I'm just giving it to you guys so that you guys can make some better informed decisions when you make your trades, okay? But I'm not taking my price until we get that $5, $10 XRP. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Absolutely. So, guys, take a screenshot of that because this is my plan for some XRP action. Okay? All right, let's go into some Cardano. What is Cardano doing as a review? Okay, so Cardano, pretty much the same scenario as XRP. We got a beautiful cup and handle formation. So let's draw it out. We have the high point, we have the low point, and we have the retracement of the low point. Okay, so we have the cup and handle formation here. This is the cup area. Now we're going to draw the handle part. Okay, we need to draw out the handle part, which is going to be the retracement. So let's draw out the square tool like we did on XRP. Draw it here and then drag it here. There. Okay, and then we're going to copy paste it. Boom. And we're going to place it there. Boom. And it gave me the entry point. And it gave me the take profit point. Okay. So, what does that mean? It means that we need to close above 0.3785 by 8 p.m. today. So, you look at the price. And what is the price doing as of right now? Let me see if you can see it right on top of me. The price is $36.51. $36.51, and we need to close above $37.85. Can we get above $37.85 on Cardano before 8 p.m.? It's possible and doable. Yes, of course. Big shout out to 24 over on the TikTok daily chart. Yes, brother. I always do my TA on the daily chart. Okay, so it's always the daily chart. You can use the daily chart to do your momentum strategy, and then you go to the lower time frames to do your entry prices and just follow the momentum of the daily chart. Okay, if you want to do scalp trades, I don't do scalp trades, not anymore. I used to before, like 100x leverage scalp trades, but I don't do that anymore. I'm more conservative now. After this bear cycle, I don't want to take more risks, unnecessary risks. So I do my trades on the daily chart. Okay, So can we close above 37.85 on Cardano? It doesn't look likely. It doesn't look like we're going to close above 37, but this fucker could pump out of nowhere. We know that it can happen, okay? So this price action might not play out as of just yet, okay? So we're going to forget about this pattern because I don't think it's going to play out. But we're probably going to get a retracement. Okay, we're probably going to get a retracement. So we have our Fibonacci tool. We have a low. We have a high. And we're going to pretend that we're going to get that recovery back. We have a shark fin formation. And on the shark fin formation, we have the Fibonacci levels, and we're going to draw out the Fibonacci levels. Boom. There we go. So it gives me my price action to getting in on some Cardano at 29 cents. 20.29. 24. 0.2924 is my entry price from Cardano action. So you better start stacking up on your Cardano at 29 cents, okay, guys? Now, let's say that it keeps going lower. I'm going to give you two more price actions. Oh, and another thing, guys, on Cardano, the RSI is breaking above, so we're probably going to get that curvature back down, okay? Could be completely full of shit, and this fucker keeps pumping to the upside. It is what it is. You know how crypto is. But indicators telling me that it might come back down. It's being oversold. I don't know. 29 cent Cardano. That's where I'm going to start sucking up on my Cardano. Now, another two more entry prices for Cardano. If it comes back down and it breaks to the downside, it's going to be these two right here. 26 and 24. So for Cardano, these are my limit buy orders to stacking up on even more Cardano. It's 29 cents, 26, and 24, and it's looking like it's going to be a little bit of a reversal from here. Take that information as you may. It could keep pumping to the upside, especially if Bitcoin decides to pump from here, because Bitcoin drives the market. Always remember that. If Bitcoin pumps, Cardano is going to pump also, most likely, okay? Not the other way around. You got to keep an eye out on Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Look at Bitcoin, look at Cardano, keep those two side to side. Remember, you can do that on TradingView. You can have more than one on each on your monitor. Okay, you can do that by pressing over here. You see this little square thing on the menu on the top here. You click on it, and you can do this. But you need a paid account on TradingView. I do not have a paid account on TradingView because I don't need it anymore. I can just use what I'm doing right now, and I have multiple screens on my setup, so I don't really need to do that on TradingView. I don't need to pay for TradingView, but if you are in your learning curve on TradingView, you absolutely should have a paid account on TradingView. Okay, so you can use all of the bells and whistles. Me, I've been doing this for years. I don't really need it anymore, but I can see the chart and just beautiful mind. I'm pretty sure I'm kind of have like this little sixth sense of where the price is gonna go. Okay, so for Cardano, 29, 26, 24. That's where you're gonna want to start stacking up on your Cardano. And wait for that little pumpy pump to happen again and take your profits on the way up. Okay? Take your profits on the way up. Moving on to some XLM action. Ooh. Guys, let me tell you right now. XLM looking pretty. XLM looking like the girl next door. Very flirtatious. XLM is printing out a beautiful pattern. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Yeah. XLM printing a beautiful pattern. Looking at it right now, and she's flirting the shit out of me. All right. So for Cardano, check this out. I'm going to give you guys another golden nugget for you guys here. You see on my screen where you see these green triangles that say bull, and these red triangles that say bear. Those are signals. Okay, those are trading signals. Okay, I didn't make those signals. I'm going to give credit where credit is due. Okay, but they play out real nice when you do your trades. Okay, I pay a lot of attention to that indicator alone. I got the bullish signal right here. Okay, meaning that it was telling me that momentum was to the upside. It was telling me that there's probably going to be price action to the upside. Okay, where do you get that indicator? Just in case you're curious and you want to use it too, you go to your indicators tab over here on TradingView, and type in Trader XO. Okay. It's this one right here by BTC Charlie. Okay. BTC Charlie made this indicator, Trader XO. And it's a beautiful indicator. It summarizes so many other indicators that I was using in the past. If you would have seen my charts on the past a year ago, 2 years ago, it was ridiculous. It had so many indicators. This indicator puts them all together, and it gives you a very simple to follow: buy here, sell there, bull here, bear there. Okay. So it gave me the bull signal on the daily chart, and the price went up. So if you would have gotten in on a trade there to the upside, you would be in profits right now. Now, always remember that no indicator is 100% written in stone and 100% correct. You're probably going to get one or two indicators that are going to be false. But how do you filter the false ones? Use this indicator that I have on the bottom here, the new RSI. This RSI, I made it myself, okay, with the help of ChatGPT. I took the old RSI that was in the in the trading view, the old RSI, and I made it myself using the help of ChatGPT. Okay, I changed the code a little bit so that it gives me the cross of the momentum area of the RSI that'll match the indicator from Trader XO. Okay, so if I get a bullish signal here, and then I go to the RSI and I get a cross of the yellow, of the purple with the yellow to the upside, that is a confirmed upward movement. So you're gonna long on your trade. Okay. Same thing the other way around. If I get a bear signal like this one, and I get a cross of the purple to the yellow to the downside, that means that I am going to short that price action. Okay. And that was beautiful. If you would have shorted here, it would have been beautiful. Okay. Those two indicators alone, that's it. I have eliminated 100 indicators just by using these two indicators alone. Okay. Especially if you're in your learning curve, you're just starting out how to trade, you want to learn, you're hungry for knowledge. Start with these two, and you don't need nothing else. Of course, you can add more things to these charts that are not exactly implied in these indicators. You can use what's it called, the MACD, an impulse MACD, to give you even more momentum, more confirmation. But I found through testing, that's all the two indicators you really need. That's it. You don't need anything else. The other things you need is to learn how to play out the patterns. Okay, you need to identify the patterns. Anyway, so as of right now for XLM, I'm seeing a lot of upwards momentum because that's what my indicators are telling me, and the pattern is a bullish pattern. Okay, so for XLM itself, more power to the upside. Okay, we got a lot of room to keep going to the upside. That means that pretty much XRP is also going for the upside because XLM follow whatever XRP is doing. So if XRP has movement to the upside, XLM is going to do the exact same thing, and they're going to probably look the same in the charts. Okay, so this is also another confirmation when I'm telling you that XRP is just not slowing down because XLM is being dragged with it. So I don't know. I'm so excited for freaking XRP, guys. You have no idea. Innovative Concept Solutions over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Innovative Concept. Go XRP. Absolutely. Crypto Sister saying, I got Cardano too. Yes, absolutely. Stack up on your Cardano. That 29 cent at Cardano. That's a beautiful buy-in on the price action on Cardano. Innovative Concept saying XRP to $2. Absolutely. Big shout out to Innovative. Big shout out to Adam W1109 over on the Twitch channel. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Adam. Innovative Concept. Chapulin over on the TikTok channel saying, what's the name of the indicator? The first indicator is Trader XO. You go to your indicators and you type in Trader XO. Boom, right here. If you want my RSI, I have it on my Discord. So shoot me a message over on my Discord channel. You can get the link on the description. It's completely free. I don't charge for my Discord whatsoever. You can go there and I hang out there every day, 24 hours a day. I'm always there. You can ask me anything you guys want. I'm always there. I give out my signals. I give out my entries, my exits. Everything is there on my Discord. And we have a really nice community over there of about 200 people. And we try to learn from each other. We always give out ideas and we get out testimonials, and it's a great community over on the Discord if you want to talk to other people who are pretty much in the same boat. Okay. So over on the Discord, go ahead and shoot me a DM on the Discord and I will send you the code so that you can copy paste it over here on your trading view. Okay. If you want my RSI, you can use any RSI, completely up to you. Okay. So yeah, Chapulín, it's Trader XO. Trader XO. This one right here. Trader XO by BTC Charlie. Okay. That's the name of the indicator. All right, moving on to some Matic. Let's go look at some Matic actions and Polygon. I like Matic. Let me tell you right now. I like Matic. Okay, I like Matic. I like their technology. I used to promote an NFT project back when. Oh, big shout out to Crypto Angel. Thank you for that heart. Big shout out to you. Big shout out. Much love. Thank you, Crypto Angel. I used to promote an NFT back when NFTs used to be cool. When the cool kids used to buy NFTs. Yeah, I got into that too. And I used to promote a friend of mine who was the same guy who did my tattoos, had an NFT project. He's a wonderful artist, and I love that guy. That guy's like a brother from another mother, and I'm gonna promote him. So I used to promote the NFT, and they were building that NFT on the Polygon network. There was only one issue: nobody knew how to buy on the Polygon network. So I had to go in there into their Discord and explain to people how to buy on the Polygon network. You just got to change the network from your MetaMask from Ethereum to Polygon. It's pretty much the same thing. But people didn't know how to do that. So their NFTs didn't really sell that much. If you're going to sell NFTs, keep it simple, guys. Make it really easy for people to buy your NFTs. Now, NFTs have a bad reputation now. I don't know if NFTs are going to come back. That also affects the Solana network, because Solana was all about NFTs. I don't know if NFT money is going to come back in. I don't know how they're going to restructure, rebrand the whole NFT market, because it just has a bad rep. You know, look at what the Ape Yacht. They paid what, like $3 million for a fucking JPEG, and now it's worth what, $30. You don't bounce back from that, you know? You don't bounce back from a price action like that. So I don't know how the NFT market is going to do. But it is what it is. So Polygon. Let me see what you guys are looking over there. Innovative concept over on the TikTok channel saying Matic looks strong. Yes, it does. I like the chart of Matic. Matic looks real good. Mike X, big shout out to Mike X over on the TikTok channel saying we in the building. Absolutely, brother. You know how it is. Pisces 31. Yeah, I'm a Pisces too, by the way. Good push today. Thoughts on the retrace once we hit around 76 on I'm pretty sure you're talking about some XRP action. Go back in time on the YouTube, my man. You can rewatch the YouTube channel and you can see what my retracement actions was for some XRP action. Okay, guys? Everything is being recorded over on my YouTube channel, so you can rewatch the whole thing. You can rewatch the whole analysis, okay? So head on over there and subscribe. So for Matic, Matic. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying going crazy with work. Brother, you got to do what you got to do, bro. Work 2 to 3 jobs. Drive Uber Eats. Some dashboard. Well, dash door. Do what you, I don't know. Do what you got to do, brother. I mean, you know, the hustle is real. I remember those days. 3 jobs at the same fucking day. That was crazy. I don't know. Adam 1109 over on the Twitch channel. Big shout out to you, Adam. Pleasure, man. I'm just getting into trading. Do you ever trade on COS? This is all new to me. Just getting my head around it all at the moment. What is COS, brother? I've never heard about COS. I don't know what that means. But welcome, brother. You're in the right channel, bro. Do what you got to do. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for that subscribe. All right, so going into some Matic action, what is Matic doing as of right now? So Matic looking real good. Give me a second here, guys. Let me look at this. Let me look at some Matic action. Let me zoom in. So for Matic, we had the bullish signal, but it did not have a cross on the RSI, so I would have not traded that one if I would have seen it. No. So Matic doing whatever the fuck it wants to do. Probably we could get some more price action to the downside and start accumulating even more. Let me see. We got a high. We have a low. And it found the support right here. So Matic. Let me see. I can get in some Matic down here. Yes, we can. Of course we can. So for Matic, I'm going to hold off. I'm going to hold off on some Matic action until it gets to 0.0840. And wait, I wrote this wrong. No, yeah, I'm wrong. 0.1701. These are worst case scenarios. Okay. These are worst. No, I'm doing this wrong. What the fuck am I doing, Diego? Come on, Diego. Wake up. Wake up. I'm hungry, guys. I'm hungry. Deal with me here. Deal with me. So 8 cents would be my worst case scenario, apocalyptical. There's a zombie apocalypse outside, and we're not buying cryptocurrencies. Not saying that we're going to get to 8 cents, but that is my power play for Matic. If it goes to 8 cents, that's a ridiculous number. Ridiculous number. I'm going to give you a better one. 49.53. 49.53 is my entry price to getting in on some Matic action. Okay, wait for the pullback. 49.53 because I'm seeing a lot of downwards action. That's why I'm giving you all these ridiculous price actions on Matic. It's kind of looking like it's going to curve to the downside. I don't know. I like Matic. I like the chart. What I'm looking at. I would stack up on some Matic. But I would stack up on some Matic at 49 cents. 49 cents. That's what I would do. Innovative Concepts over on the TikTok channel saying, I'm thinking we are in a position to trap some sellers. Looking like it does. It looking real good. It looking like it does. Adam W over on the Twitch channel saying, Cuz is basically an AI trading site. Slower returns, but consistent. I can PM you the link if you want to check out. Don't want to post and promote anything in there. It's okay, brother. Don't worry about it. Do what you got to do. Everybody's welcome here. I've never heard about Cuz. I personally do not tend to give out my crypto to any platforms whatsoever. I've always been a very hard believer that crypto platforms are evil. They're there to take your money. You don't believe me? Look at FTX. Look at those were all regulated exchanges, and guess what? We're never going to get our money back. They're evil. It is what it is. It's greed over fear, and So I don't tend to give my crypto to any platform whatsoever, even if they have guaranteed returns. I don't stake. I don't lend. I don't even do DeFi. And DeFi, you leave it in your wallet. I don't even do DeFi. Okay. I do trades on BitGet, and I do have to send my funds, but I take my profits and I put them out. I pull them out and I put them on my Ledger device on a daily consistency. Okay. Until the day comes that BitGet just decides to come in and take all our funds. It's the nature of the beast. It is what it is. It is what it is. But hey, if it's working out for you, brother, keep doing it, bro. If you're gonna do a trading site or whatever, you're gonna use their signal. Learn from the bot. Learn from the trading AI. When does it go in? When does it get out? Learn to master that pattern and then do it yourself. That's how I do it. That's how I figured it out. I used to do trading bots before. I used to use Bitscap, and that trading bot did the trades for me, and it was a beautiful bot. It was wonderful. It did a bunch of money on that trading bot. Okay, but it only works on the bull cycle when things go up. When things come down, it doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. So on bear cycles, it doesn't work. On bull cycles, it works beautifully. Okay, and I just learned to go in when Bitscap was gonna go in. I identified those patterns, and it was the Fibonacci levels. That's it. It was all about the Fibonacci. So I figured out the Fibonacci that they were using, and that's how I got mine. So big shout out to you, Adam. Do you, boo boo? Do what you got to do, bro. Keep it going, bro. Keep it going. Kimi Anderson over on the TikTok. Big shout out to Kimi, a sub from Sweden. My brothers and sisters from Sweden. How you all doing? I'm all over the world, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Big shout out to Kimi Anderson over on the TikTok. So this is my plan for some Matic action, bro. Matic looking a little weird, but I like it, and I'm gonna go in at 49 cents. Moving on to some XDC. Oh, XDC. Let's see what XDC is doing. All right. So for XDC, this was from previous live streams, and it hit exactly my target price, guys. Did you go in? I don't remember when we did this live stream, but it hit exactly my entry price right here at 0.04. And it's trading at 0.05. So you would be in profits. If you guys were in on that trade, on that stream, I don't remember when we did this. We got to go back in time and look at our live streams over on the YouTube channel. But you are in profits right now if you got in at 0.04 on the live stream when we were talking about this one, okay? Now, same scenario still plays out. I'm still putting my limit buy orders at 4, 3, and 3, 3, okay? These are the same. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take this one out of here. There. Those are my two zones to getting in on some XDC. If you're not in it already. Okay. Those two zones right there. But if you got in at 4 cents, that's beautiful. You're in profits right now, and you do whatever you want to do with that information. Okay. But this is a bullish pattern. More power to the upside on XDC. Okay. And we look at this. Look at this. Let's zoom in. Look at this. We got the bullish signal. And guess what we're going to get here? The cross of the yellow with the purple. Huh? That's a bullish signal. That means that this has potential to keep going to the upside. So if you got in at 4 cents, hold on to it. Hold on to it. Okay? Hold on to it. So XCC looking real good. Looking sexy too. Looking real good. All right, moving on to some QNT. You guys want to talk about some quant action. So for quant, what do we got here? Come on, cycle through. Thank you. Okay, so let me get rid of this. This was from previous live streams. Let's zoom in on some quant action. Let me fit it to the screen. All right. So for quant, we got the bullish signal. We got the cross of the purple with the yellow to the upside, and it went to the upside. That's beautiful to see. We have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high. We have a retracement of the high, so we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. And there was your entry for the Fibonacci levels. So when do you want to get in on some quant action? I would say right here. $94, 94.097. That is my entry price from quant action. But, there's a but. It closed above the 382. See how this candle is trading above the 382? So that tells me that there is a high probability that we're going to get this price action on some quant action. $119. So your take profits are in $119.52. So it might not come back down to $94. Okay, it might not come back down to $94 because it's playing out the Fibonacci levels to the dot. It closed above the 382, so your take profit it's then the negative 382. So it might get that $119 per quant. Okay, just set your limit buy order for 94 if you want to play out quant action. That's where I would do it, but I don't see it coming back down to 94. Not anytime soon anyway. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but I do see that 119 playing out real nicely. Especially if Bitcoin keeps pumping to the upside. Remember that everything is being dragged by Bitcoin, so it's probably going to do the exact same thing. So take your profits at 120, reset the Fibonacci levels, and we're going to go back in. Moving on to some NXRA. Alliance Block Nexera. Ooh. Guys. You see how much beautiful. Look at how beautiful this is playing out on the Fibonacci levels. This was from the previous live stream, by the way. Told you guys you're getting in on here. This is your entry price. This was your entry price. You're getting in on some NXRA action. I hope you got it. It's bouncing exactly on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels right here. Right here. Right here, guys. Right fucking here. Look at that. That was your chance of getting in on some NXRA. Okay. And it closed above the 382. So that just tells me that NXRA has a huge probability to getting out at 10 cents. So you buy it at 8, you buy it at 5, and you sell it at 8. That's a 2x on your trade right there. Not financial advice. That's how it would have played out. So it's looking like it's going to play out like that. If you caught it at that 618 on the Fibonacci levels at 5 cents, you hold it till 10 cents, take your profits, reset the Fibonacci levels, and we go back in. Okay? So I really hope that you guys stacked up on your NXRA when we talked about it on the live stream. I don't remember when we did that live stream, but I hope you did. Yo, I'm fucking hungry. I'm about to Uber Eats. What should I order on Uber Eats? Let's see what we got here. Uber Eats. I don't want to go out. I've been out this whole month doing the haunted house. I don't want to drive anymore. Uber Eats. Let's see what we got here on Uber Eats. Should I eat a sandwich again? Yesterday I ate a sandwich and it made me go to sleep. So let me see if I can. I'm going to order a sandwich again. Fuck it. No, today's Monday. It's not open. God damn it. It's not open today. Should I go Chinese? Ugh, Wendy's. Ugh. No, thank you. Nah, Dave & Buster's. No, thank you. Ugh, McDonald's. No. I could go Chinese. Let me see. Chinese. Good. I'm gonna go do some orange chicken. I can do some orange chicken. Well, I need to go to Walgreens anyway, so, and this is next to Walgreens. You know what? I'm just gonna go. I'll order it over there. No, you know what? I'll order it here and then pick it up over there. Don't you just love Uber Eats? Uber Eats is awesome. It's a little expensive, but it saves time, you know? It saves time. Not sponsored by Uber Eats, by the way. Hey, Uber Eats, hit me up if you want to do a sponsorship, you know, hit me up. D Taylor over on the TikTok channel saying Jersey Mike's. What's that? I've never heard about Jersey Mike's. Is it good? Chapulín over on the TikTok channel saying Kung Pao. I'm thinking about going some orange chicken. Kind of tasting the orange chicken in my mouth. Kind of salivating for some orange chicken. Chicken corn soup is also good. I like it. That was also really good. Ugh, baby octopus. What the fuck? Arroz frito pequeño. I'm just messing with you guys. I can get some fried rice. Yeah, I'm thinking about going some orange chicken. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Chapulín saying Kung Pao, bro. They don't have Kung Pao, bro. I would love some Kung Pao, but they don't have Kung Pao. What do you want me to do? EDT over on the TikTok channel saying order injera. What's injera? I've never heard of that. I am him. Big shout out to I am him. Where you been, brother? How you been? GRT is acting like a bad boy. GRT. The fuck is GRT? Can I trade it on KuCoin? Nope. Can I trade it on? Oh, I guess it's Bitfinex. Yeah. GRT. GRT pumping. You gotta pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You gotta pump it up, and don't you know? Pump it up. Didn't we talk about GRT that it was a bottom coin? I hope you guys stacked up on that bottom coin. I don't remember if we did that though. Did we talk about GRT? Yeah, but GRT is pumping. GRT dragging to the upside, guys. Draw your Fibonacci levels. You know how to do that already. Draw your Fibonacci levels and see where you're gonna go with. But GRT, bro. GRT looking good for some bots action, actually. If I were going to do the trading bots, I would put it on GRT. And let it rip, do its thing. Ooh, let me do something here before I leave. Let me look at the Dixie. Dixie action. So yeah, Dixie's coming back down. It broke to the... Yada. Yep, that's why Bitcoin is pumping. Because people are moving the money into Bitcoins. D. Taylor over on the TikTok channel saying, IT sandwiches I'm eating right now. Ooh, bro. I wanted a sandwich. I wanted a chicken sandwich, but they're closed. They don't open on Mondays and Tuesdays. It's Monday, right? Yeah, it's Monday. Innovative Concept saying over on the TikTok channel, get some render. You want to talk about some render action. Ooh, for render. Look at that. From previous live streams, guys, it bounced exactly on my target price at $1.26. I really hope you all took that action when we talked about it. We have a low. Let me get rid of this. This was on the previous live stream. We have a low. We have a high. We got to wait for that retracement of the high so we can figure out our entry price for some render action. And we're going to draw our Fibonacci levels and figure it out that it's right here. So for my render brothers and sisters who are holding on to some render action, the price to get in is $1.7854. That's where you're going to want to start stacking up on some render action, guys. $78.54. Put that on your limit buy orders if you want to trade it like that. There's probably it's curving back down to the downside on the RSI, so it's probably going to have a little bit of a pullback. I'm going to get in at $1.74. $1.78. Okay, $1.78. Crypto Angel, big shout out to Crypto Angel over on the TikTok channel saying check out Stronghold SHX. I'm gonna do two more, guys, and I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm fucking hungry. Wait, before we go to that, let me go to CoinMarketCap. SHX. Holy shit. SHX. Way lower than a cent. Wow. Has 100 billion in supply. What does Stronghold do? I can trade it on BitTrue and Bittrex. Okay. Stronghold mission is to provide fast, secure, and accessible financial services for all. Through our developers' APIs, we enable access to legacy and next-generation payments and financial services. Stronghold's currency is used for real-time settlement, discount, and fees for business consumers, rewards, and merchant catch. Okay. How much would it cost me to buy 100,000? It'll cost me $65 to buy 100,000. If a million, it's $600 to buy a million of this coin. Okay. Let's go for it. Already had it. Okay. So SHX. Whoa, look at the all-time high. Whoa. What happened here? What the hell did SHX do? This dude was at 2 cents. The hell happened to SHX? Lost 100% of its value. God damn. Well, if you're just gonna, it's a bottom coin. Okay, it's a BBC bottom coin. You stack up on your bottom coins, right? So it's on the bottom. You buy it and you hold it for the next bull cycle. 100,000 of this coin costs you $65. So if you put $100 in, you can buy 152,000 of that coin and hold it for the next bull cycle. Not financial advice, but hey, that's what I would do. Bottom coin, guys. Buy and hold. Buy and hold for the next bull cycle. This could be one of those coins that just pumps out of fucking nowhere. And the all-time high was 2 cents when it came out. That would be a profit of about 3,000% if it goes back up to 2 cents. That's a 30x on your money right there. Whew. Big shout out to Crypto Angel. Thank you for those roses. Big much love to you, Crypto Angel. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate you all the time. That is SHX. You know what? It's one of those shit coins that you just buy and pray. Buy and pray. That's what I'm going to call it. Buy and pray. Buy and pray that it actually goes back up when in the bull cycle happens. Bitcoin, free the people. Big shout out to you, brother. Welcome, Bitcoin, free the people. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the hat and mustache. Big shout out to you. Okay, we got time for one more. We're gonna do one more. Fetch AI. Fetch AI. Okay, Fetch AI. We can do it on KuCoin. Beautiful. Let's enjoy and appreciate this coin right here. Why am I not looking at these coins? Guys, we got the cross. We got the bullish signal. We got the cross on the RSI. No excuse not to get some Fetch AI. Fetch AI trading at 38 cents. We have a low. We have a high. God damn it, I wasn't looking at this coin. Guys, you got to text me these coins, guys. You got to go to my Discord and just spam coins so I can look at them. Damn it. That was a beautiful pump right there. So, my entry price for some Fetch AI. Big shout out to Crypto Sister. Thank you for those roses. Big shout out to Bitcoin Free the People. Brothers, follow Bitcoin Free the People. I've been in his streams. His streams are awesome. So head on over to that guy. That guy's awesome. Thank you for all those stickers, brother. Thank you for the ice cream cone. Big shout out to you. Oh my man, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you. Oh man, thank you for the GGs. I'm gonna start doing the what's it called, the NPCs that they react to the thing. Have you seen that shit on TikTok? I'm gonna react to the thing. Gang. You're never gonna catch me doing the NPCs. That's not gonna happen ever. But I highly appreciate it, guys. Ooh, thank you for the donuts. You know what's next to the Chinese place that I'm gonna go eat? Krispy Kreme. I could get some donuts on Krispy Kreme. Thank you, Big D. Thank you for reminding me that I could get Krispy Kreme donuts next to the Chinese place. So I'm gonna eat Chinese with donuts. What? I'm hungry. I'm fucking starving. Big D, big shout out to Big D. Thank you for all the stickers. So Fetch AI finished strong with Fetch AI at 0.2786. That is my entry price to getting in on some Fetch AI. But Fetch AI closes above the 382. Fetch AI looking real juicy, real good. Take profit for Fetch AI to the upside is 48 cents. It's trading at 38 right now. 0.4873. Fetch AI looking real good. I like Fetch AI. I'm liking Fetch AI. So guys, if you're holding on to some Fetch AI, 48 cents would be your take profit. My entry price would be 27.86. So I'm going to wait for that pull down to happen because it's on the top of the RSI. There's probably going to be a pullback down. It's okay. Completely normal. I'm going to get in at 27 and I'm going to get out at 48. Okay. That's how I'm going to play out the Fetch AI. Bitcoin Free the People. Thank you for the cap. Oh, where the hell is my XRP hat? I don't have my XRP hat. Where the fuck did it? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna go get my Chinese food and my XRP hat. Celebrate the fucking pump. There we go. Oh, now we're representing. Now we're winning. Oh, hell yeah. Now XRP is gonna go to $1. Now XRP is gonna go to $1. There we go. There we go. That's what I was missing. D Taylor on the TikTok channel saying SHX has 6% of supply in circulation. It has some nice price action to the upside, brothers. Start stacking up on your SHX, but that's a bottom coin. Don't really expect anything from it other than losing all of your money. But hey, $100 is $100. You never know, you know. Big shout out for Bitcoin Free. The people, thank you for that heart. Big shout out to you, brother. Love you too. So SHX is a hard yes. It's a hard yes for a shitcoin to hold. A hard yes. Crypto Angel 2023. Another one. PLI plugin. PLI. The hell is PLI? What the heck is PLI? Plugin. Oops, I pressed the wrong one. PLI. I've never heard of this one. PLI plugin. Trading at 4 cents with 500 million in supply. You can trade it on BitTrue, HitBTC, Probit. Okay. What does Plugin do? Plugin is a decentralized Oracle platform that provides cost-effective solutions to any smart contract which runs in the SynFin network, also in the XDC coin. Plugin enables the smart contract to connect with real-time world and the data that it receives. Okay. So let's look at some plugin. Wrote it wrong. Plugin. Wrote it wrong again. You can get it. No, that's Pluton. Tether. BitTrue. Okay, there we go. Oh, well, brother. Okay, so right now, PLI got the bullish signal. We got the bullish signal. Now we're waiting for the cross of the purple with the yellow. Purple with the yellow. Purple with the yellow to the upside. To the upside. Okay. Bullish signal. Cross. That means that PLI has a huge potential to going to the upside. And if it goes to the upside, guess what this is? Cup and handle formation. So bullish signal. Bullish signal on PLI. Bullish signal on PLI. Bullish signal on PLI. Do what you got to do. Completely up to you. Bullish signal on PLI. I am him over on the TikTok channel saying the dollar is dropping. Do you think that's enough to break BTC current resistance? Yeah. Always remember that Bitcoin has an inverse relationship with the US dollar. You need to spend dollars to buy Bitcoin. You need to sell Bitcoin to get US dollars. So when one goes up, the other one goes down. So if we look at the US dollar, this is the Dixie index. Remember when we did the live stream and I told you that the breakout was 105.89? It broke to the downside, okay? Let me get rid of this. So if we have downwards momentum for the US dollar, which is looking like it is. Big shout out to Lisa Gibson. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. So if it looks like it's going to come back down and it's looking like it's going to come back down, it's curving back down to the downside. We're probably going to get that bearish signal coming real soon. The US dollar goes down. That just means that the Bitcoin is going up. See, this is the dollar going down. Bitcoin going up. Big shout out to Jerry. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. See? So yeah, there's an inverse relationship with the US dollar. So if the US dollar keeps going down, that just means that Bitcoin is going to keep going higher. That's pretty much telling you that people are selling their US dollars to putting it on Bitcoin, on the crypto markets. So yeah, do your analysis on the US dollar. If one goes down, the other one's going to go back up. Okay? Most of the times. Most of the times. Big shout out to Crypto Angel. Thank you so much for those roses. Big shout out to you, Crypto Angel. Beautiful as always. Crypto Angel, love it too. Bitcoin Free, the people saying crypto sister is just the beginning. Absolutely. When it comes to XRP, 70 cents, it's just 70 cents is pennies. 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 72 cent XRP. My man, let me tell you right now, that's nothing. Like I said, we need to close above that 66 cents, and we're probably going to do it 8 p.m. What time is it? 6:30 p.m. We have an hour and a half before we close that trade, before we close the daily charts, the daily candle. So we need to close above 66. Are we going to close above 66? Hell yeah! So if we close above 66, we're taking our profits at 83 or 90 cents. 90 cent XRP is just right around the corner. Really doesn't matter, guys. Really doesn't matter. Mary Cavazos over on the TikTok channel saying hello, Sensei. Hello to you too. Big shout out to you, Mary. Survivor Tyler over on the TikTok channel saying, what are your thoughts on where XRP will become the halving of BTC? Well, everything dumps after the halving, so it'll probably have a pullback. Just because Bitcoin is having a pullback, everything is probably going to have the same pullback. So pullback on XRP, pullback on Bitcoin right after the halving. So miners sell the supply to bring the price back down because they're getting half of the supply because of the halving. So they need to pump the price somehow. So they sell their XRP, so their Bitcoin, drop the price, buy back in at the bottom, and then ride that sucker all the way to the upside because now they get half of the supply, which just pretty much means that now we get half of the selling pressure. And if we get half of the selling pressure, but the demand stays the same and it just keeps going higher, that just means that the price keeps going higher. So it is baked into the algorithm of Bitcoin for the price to always go high. It is what it is. I didn't make the rules. I'm just playing the game, you know? I'm just playing the game. So get yourself some XRP right after the halving because it's probably going to pump like crazy right after the halving. Okay? So get you some XRP. Everything pumps with Bitcoin after the halving. That's some XRP. Bitcoin free. The people say my shoes are off, Sensei. Brother, I know you're strapped in. We're on this fucking rocket right now, and we are soaring to the sky. We're not stopping, brothers. XRP is not stopping. We still got a lot of room to keep going to the upside. That 83.90 cent is so doable and possible. It's beyond ridiculous. Beyond ridiculous. Do what you got to do, guys. Do what you got to do. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. That's all the time I got for you today. I'm going to go get something to eat. I'm fucking starving like crazy. I'm going to do Chinese today, and I'm going to get a little bit of Krispy Kreme donuts just to celebrate this. We got to celebrate that XRP is pumping. We got to, I got to, it's for this. It's for XRP. Okay. It's not because it's ridiculously delicious, the Krispy Kreme donuts. It's just for XRP. If XRP pumps, we got to eat the donuts. Okay. So it's just, I didn't make the rules. I just follow them, you know? So guys, thank you all for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will be back again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Or you're probably going to catch me on TikTok on some Crypto Granny live streams if she invites me and she starts streaming. So I always stop by and say hi over there too. So make sure that you follow Crypto Granny and make sure that you follow Bitcoin Free the People over on the TikTok. Also, I might stop by too sometimes and say hi over there too. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Take care. Have a good one. And God bless. Thank you all so much. Highly appreciate and love each and every one of you. See you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern.